Alright, we have cork, and we have a small hole in the top so you can stick a match through it, like so. And then we have these pieces of styrofoam here, so that when we set our globe on top of it, you still have a means for the air to get through so our match won't go out prematurely. And that's pretty much the setup. Alright, now we're not done, because this reaction creates, I believe, NO2, which is, mildly toxic. You don't want to breathe it in. You'll know because it's an acrid smell. So take it outside and let the air out. Yeah, don't breathe it in. You don't want to.